this is Christina. In this little video, this episode, we are going to be telling you about the game of Truth or Dare we played today. It was pretty awesome. Anything you'd like to add, Christina? Yes, actually the game was called Dare to Dare, since there was no truth, but one truth question. Anyway, so it involved a lot of sticking our faces in snow and running around barefoot in the snow and stuff like that. And the snow was about 4 or 5 inches long. It was so cold, I think my feet are frostbitten. Not really, JK. Alright, so at one point, I dared Christina to eat a barbecue chip covered in ketchup, mustard, and ranch dressing, but she didn't do it. She changed the dare for something else, but I don't remember what it was. Anything you'd like to add, Christina? Today, I dared Ellie to run out in the snow. I made her stick her hands and feet. I made her go on her hands and knees and stick her hands and face in the snow. It was pretty funny. You, Ellie? Yeah, that was cold. Alright, let's see. What did I make Christina do? It was I made Christina make out with the TV at one point. Anything you'd like to add, Christina? And Alright, so also, what the heck? Alright, so anyway, also, today, at one point, me and Christina, alright, so we were talking, and, you know how I said in, the last episode, how Lady Gaga was my favorite singer? Well, I was talking today about how I'd never seen the full video of Paparazzi, which is weird, because that's so out of character for me. So, I was watching it today with Christina, and for some reason, I just kept cracking up at this one part. Would you like to add anything, Christina? Yes, it was about dollar bill, $100 bill with Lady Gaga's face on it. It wasn't really that funny, but she was on the floor, laughing, crying, hysterically laughing, because it was funny, which I don't think it was. I don't think it was funny either. I have no idea why I was laughing. I don't know. I was just in a giggly mood. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye.